Alright, today's the day we let the chickens out. They've been in their brooder and we put them in the coop earlier. So now we'll open the door. See if any are brave enough to come out. You see them in there? This is going to be a long, boring video, I think.
Are they not coming out?
No, no one's come to the door yet. Yeah, she's gonna scratch the hell out of you. Suki really wants the chickens. Just let them go on their own time. We don't need to get them out right now. There's just a bug behind me here. Here they are. No interest in going outside yet. Who's gonna be the brave one? Alright, we got food and water in here. Why would we go out?
What, do they have food in there?
Yeah, let's just put them in there. We'll move it out. I thought Regina noticed outside a second ago, but
Get to the outside.
you know. Obviously I haven't built the nesting box, and I'll probably block it off so that they don't start sleeping in it. But here's the coop. Back further so you see it. For now, we're probably gonna put some trim and stuff on it. For now, we blocked off just a small area for them. We'll see. Anyone know if this tree drops little berries? Anyone know if they're poisonous? If you know, drop a comment. And is that going to be enough ventilation? Thanks for watching. Suki, what do you think of the chickens? Yeah. Yeah, oh, don't get me all muddy. You want to eat them, huh? Oh, they see the door now. I put a dandelion in front of it to entice them. Nobody, huh? When I got the chickens, I didn't pay attention to what kind they are, and everyone asks, what kinds of chickens did you get? Anyone know what these are? I think they're all supposed to be different kinds. And I think maybe that's a rooster, which we're not allowed to have, so. Is that a rooster? Let me know what you think. We finally have a brave soul. I'm realizing they need more shade. I mean, we do have the tree, but I don't want to let them under there yet. That's it. Done with that, huh? They finally all came out.
Are you making a vlog? You gonna upload it?
If you don't talk during it, I might.
Well, you have to talk during it. You can voice it over.
You say, hey, this is Fred.
I can voice over.
And show Suki.
Hey, Suki.
She wants the chickens.
Oh, flying away. I don't think they figured out their water there yet. Day 2. I think they're used to outside. She's still not used to them. Suki, what are you doing? What's the matter, Suki? She would really like to see those chickens. And the chicken's checking her out.